Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're going to look at some more phrasal verbs. As you know, the British love their phrasal verbs. So today we're going to look at a couple of phrasal verbs with the word off. For example, drop off, nod off, doze off. 3 expressions to mean fall asleep. For example, the university lecture was quite boring. I dozed off for a few moments. Or the lecture was quite boring. I nodded off for a few moments. Or the lecture was boring. I dropped off for a few moments. Here's another one. Finish off, to mean complete something that you started earlier. For example, I've been painting the kitchen. I'm going to finish it off tomorrow. Perhaps you have to wake up early to go to work or to school or to college, university. So you set the alarm. The alarm goes off. This morning, my alarm went off at 7 o'clock. A common expression nowadays is to rip somebody off, meaning to be cheated. For example, did you really pay £3,000 for that painting? I think you were ripped off. So cheated, you paid too much money for it. And one more, to tell somebody off, to speak angrily to somebody when they do something wrong. For example, Claire's mother told her off because she brought dirty shoes into the house. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board. So the first one, doze off or nod off, meaning to fall asleep. I dozed off during the lecture. The second one, finish off, do the last part. As in the example, I was painting the kitchen, I'll finish it off tomorrow. I'll finish it off tomorrow. Go off, your alarm, a fire alarm, your alarm to wake you up in the morning. The alarm goes off, so go off, make an alarm sound. Rip somebody off, to cheat someone. Perhaps you paid too much for something. I think you paid too much. I think you were ripped off. And tell somebody off, to speak angrily to somebody if they do something wrong. Claire's mother told her off for wearing dirty shoes in the house. So there we are, phrasal verbs with off. English grammar, phrasal verbs, they're easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.